1.5.4. What's new in Flutter 1.5.4? In addition to continuing to focus on quality and stability since the 1.2 release, the Flutter 1.5.4 stable release adds a set of new features. Supporting Apple iOS building against the 12.1 version of their iOS SDK, you can meet Apple's requirements simply by pulling down the 1.5.4 stable release building and updating your Flutter app in the Apple Store. Also, this build sees fixes for the two regressions we saw in Flutter 1.2. No such method error, **android.view.motionEvent.isFromSource source was closed and fixed in all versions after 1.3.7. Widget rendering strange since Flutter update, **** a change was made fixes this regression in 1.4.0. Breaking changes. Our recent survey showed that Flutter developers prefer a breaking change if it means that it improves the API and behavior of Flutter. Of course, we still make breaking changes sparingly. The following are the list of breaking changes in this release along with links to a full description of each change and how to handle it in your Flutter code. Cupertino text field's cursor color default now matches the app's theme. Need to manually trigger selection toolbars when using raw editable text, announcement and mitigation. Proposing a fix to unify Android and iOS response in the Firebase Mesong plugin, announcement and mitigation. Converting pointer event to diagnosticable, announcement and mitigation. Cupertino text field, merge provided text style with themes text style, announcement and mitigation. Long press gesture recognizer moving after long press no longer discards up event, announcement and mitigation. The gesture recognizer state enum has a new, accepted, value, announcement and mitigation. Drag move B calls are broken in two and the default drag start behavior in all widgets with drag recognizers is changed to drag start behavior.start, announcement and mitigation. Composite layers for physical shapes on all platforms, announcement and mitigation. Adding on-platform view created to Android view controller, announcement and mitigation. Backdrop filter will fill its parent, ancestor clip, announcement and mitigation. Font weight, lerp to return null if args are null, announcement and mitigation. Proposal to rename pointer enter event and pointer exit event from hover event to from mouse event, announcement and mitigation. Allow pointer enter event and pointer exit events to be created from any pointer event. Include platform view it in semantics tree. Force line height in text fields with strut. Use full height of the glyph for caret height on Android. Remove pressure customization from some pointer events. UI, add null check and font weight, lerp. Severe performance and crash changes. In this release, we fixed several severe performance and crash issues. Allow profile widget builds in profile mode. Add RRECT contains microbenchmark. Cannot execute operation because FlutterGNI is not attached to native. Flutter 1.5.4 updates for iOS. Watch our other Flutter iOS updates video. Flutter 1.5.4 updates for material changes. Watch our other Flutter material updates video. Flutter 1.5.4 updates for desktop changes. Watch our other Flutter desktop updates video. Flutter 1.5.4 updates for framework changes. Watch our other Flutter framework updates video. Flutter 1.5.4 updates for plugin changes. Watch our other Flutter plugin updates video. Dynamic update, aka code push coming soon.